Pre-takeoff. Flap 0. Props.
Aztec 7181 Yankee, Lewis Tower, standby.
Standby runway 2, 7181 Yankee. Props high RPM. Mixture best power. Fuel pumps on, right, left. Cowl flaps are open. Transponder 4312. Heading bug is set. Runway heading. AC is off, doors and windows are locked.
Aztec 81
Landing light
Yankee, fly
strobes.
heading 300, runway 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff runway 2, fly heading 300, 7181 Yankee, thank you. Alright, so we'll make a right turn. Sorry, left turn. Heading 300. Fuel, props. Fuel. We'll go ahead and cross the hold short line. All of our lights are on. Release the brakes and go. It is 5 p.m. Alright, fuel, props, fuel. We'll line up with the center line. The wind is all straight down the runway. We'll bring the power up to 1500. Oil pressure's coming up, oil temperature's coming up. Fuel pressure is good, amps, volts, everything is good. We're going to go ahead and engage full power. Full power is engaged and indicating all our gauges remain in the green. Airspeed's alive. We're looking for 70, there it is. Alright. We got a positive rate of climb. We'll get the gear up. Gears up and indicating. When we get 400 feet above ground, we'll turn heading 300.
1,000.
That's 1,000 MSL.
Aztec 81 Yankee, contact Chicago departure, have a safe flight.
Forward to departure. Thank you for the help. 7181 Yankee, thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, let's go ahead and put heading mode, autopilot on. The airplane will turn heading 300.
South 4032, 25 miles from LQ, cross altitude at 6,000, cleared out less runway 4 at approach, resume normal speed.
Bring our props back to 2,500.
Clear for the ILS 4 right approach, Southwest 4032.
Chicago departure, Aztec 7181 Yankee, 1800, climbing 3,000 just off of Lewis.
Number 7181 Yankee, Chicago approach, on. Number 7181 Yankees, radar contact, a mile and a half northwest of Lewis Airport. Midway altimeter 29907, climb and maintain 4,000.
Climb maintain 4,000, 7181 Yankee, thank you.
Southwest 4734 is 23 miles from LQ, cross altitude at 6,000, cleared out less runway 4 at approach, speed your discretion.
Cross altitude at 6,000, cleared out LS 4 right, spare discretion, Southwest 4734.
Number 7181 Yankee, contact Chicago, departure 133.5.
33.5, 7181 Yankee, thank you.
Chicago approach, 58 Yankee Mike.
Chicago departure, Aztec 7181 Yankee, 3,000, climbing 4,000, heading 300.
Aztec 7181 Yankee, Chicago departure, midway altimeter 29907.
907, 7181 Yankee.
November 3504 Papa, turn right heading 270.
Right heading